Hello everyone and namaskar. I'm Dhruba from TheWeDidStory and we have come up with a new video, a very short one, but this one's special not just because of where we went but because of what you guys are about to hear. For the first time, the background music of this video I have composed it myself, and I would really love to hear your feedback in the comments. So do watch the video, and if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The We Did Story, for more videos like this.